vital source of income for the people of Sulu. Thus, their dependence on the mineral as their source of livelihood prompted them to create Suwa Siwa, a dance that celebrated Pomelo and their appreciation of the whole community and security. This dance made to be a courtship where it is performed by two people or more, mostly by the male and female.
So, Suwa Kusuwa dance, nag-translate siya kuno as Pomelo tree as its roots. Sabihin siya nag-originate sa mga place.
Sa Holo, Solo.
Religion or farming and farming are prevalent. When we say prevalent, it is common sa ila. With pomelos abundant in that area, they became a crucial source of income for that woman. So, naging source of income sa mga taga-Putuslo
Ano?
pomelo or
Aircon? Wait ko nadala.
pomelo food. So, sila nag-rely sa pomelo food bilang isa nila ka-livelihood nga nag-inspired sa ila para mag-create sa Suwa Kusuwa dance. So, hindi nga dance, nag-serve man as a celebration sa pomelo tree or the pomelo food, na gina-acknowledge nila ang economic significance and beauty sa sininga pomelo tree. So, it is ideally as a courtship dance. Typically, gina-perform siya by pairs, often a male or a female. So, ang funds na gina-use nila din is gina-use nila for mimic. When we say mimic, gina-imitate nila. Gina-imitate nila ang gentle na swaying ng leaves of the pomelo tree. So, these movements nag-add some visual imagery to the dance nga nag-evoke sa natural environment and the characteristics of the pomelo tree. So, paagi sa pag-embody sa pomelo tree characteristics, ini nga mga dancers sa Suwa Kusuwa, gina-express nilang ilang appreciation sa nature, ng ilang dependence on it for their sustenance. So, nag-depend sila sa pomelo tree, which is ang una ilang livelihood or ang source of income nila. So, ang Suwa Kusuwa dance, not only nag-honor sa pomelo, but also nag-symbolize it sa unity between sa humans at sa environment. It is a cultural expression of gratitude, ang una ilang cultural expression sa pasasalamat and reverence para sa mga natural resources na nag-sustain sa lives ng mga taga-Putuslo na mga tao. So, amo na siya Suwa Kusuwa nga nag-originate sa Putuslo nga ginatawag bilang pomelo. That's all.
Okay, so the next is grade 8 under grade 8 curriculum, the dance of Palangan. Pangalan. Pangalan, also known as the Iganao dance, is a traditional dance of the Tausug people of the Sulu archipelago in the Philippines and Sabah. The word pangalan means the gift or offering. It is characterized by intricate hands and arm movement, often accompanied by the use of jangay or ornamented metal nails or enhance the graceful hands movement, accentuated by the shoulders and sensuous hip movement. So, ang Palangan dance is considered the most distinctively Asian of the old southern Philippines dance due to its similarity and classical ballets and the Thai dances. So, as you can see earlier, may mga